Welcome to English Story Today. Don't forget like and subscribe. My name is Maya. I am 20 years old. I live in a city. I am a university student. I live with my older sister, Leah. My parents died in a car accident when I was 10 years old, so Leah takes care of me like a mom. She is kind, strong, and always protects me. Leah is smart. She is a history professor at the university. Leah is married to Dr. Ethan Clark. He is also a professor. He teaches at the same university. He speaks softly like he never gets angry. He is calm, always polite. People respect him. They say, "What a kind man." He and my sister walk together. They look like the perfect couple. My sister trusted him a lot. They had a love marriage. She really loved him, but deep inside, something feels wrong. Sometimes I see how he looks at me. It makes me uncomfortable. It's not normal. It's not right. I try to ignore it. I tell myself it's nothing. But my heart knows something is not okay. One day I sit on my bed. My phone rings. It's a message from Ethan. He writes, "You look beautiful today. I can't stop thinking about you." I feel shocked. Why is he saying this? Maybe the message was sent by mistake. I do not reply, but more messages come. "Let's meet for dinner." I know you feel the same, Maya. My heart beats fast. I feel scared. I stay silent. The next day, he waits for me outside my class after my lecture. He says, "You are special, Maya." I walk away. Then he sends flowers. He stands near my car. He follows me around campus. "You are young. You are beautiful. And every moment I see you, I fall more in love. I do not just want you, I want forever with you." I run to the bathroom. I cry and cry. I feel broken. I love my sister more than anyone. She raised me like a mother. I owe her everything, but I cannot hurt her. I cannot break her heart. He forces me to talk to him. He says, "You have to love me. I do not care if you are her sister." His words make me sick. I feel broken inside. Then one day I decide to tell my sister everything. I am scared, but I cannot hide it anymore. I am afraid she will hate me, or maybe she will not believe me. I cry as I speak, my voice shaking. I want to tell Leah everything. I want to say, "Your husband is not a good man. He is sending me love messages, he is following me, he is making me scared." But when I look at her face, I stop. She is smiling. She is happy. She says, "Ethan and I are trying for a baby. We are doing IVF. I hope I become a mom soon." My mouth stays closed. My hands feel cold. My heart feels heavy. Ethan wants me, but Leah does not know. She trusts him. She loves him. I do not want to break her heart. I do not want to take away her smile. So I stay quiet. I carry the pain inside. I feel lost and scared. I want to cry, but I say nothing. It is late evening. I am sitting in my room reading. Suddenly, I hear a knock at the door. I walk slowly to the door. When I open it, I am shocked. It's Ethan. I say, "Why are you here?" He says, "I came to see you and to love you." He looks at me from head to toe. I feel nervous. Then he says, "Maya, I love you. You are so beautiful. I want you. Please come to me. I'm proud of you." My eyes grow wide. I feel frozen. My hands shake. I shout, "Get out!" He walks closer and tries to touch my hand. I scream louder. Leave now or I will call the police. He gets scared. He steps back. He says, okay, I'm leaving. And then he walks out. He leaves. I close the door and lock it. I sit on the floor. My heart beats fast. I cry. That night, I can't sleep. I think about everything. My heart hurts. I know. I must again tell my sister. She must know the truth. The next day, I go to Leah's house. I sit down and say, Leah, I need to tell you something. Please listen. Ethan came to our house last night. He said he loves me. He tried to touch me. She looks at me. Her face changes. Her eyes become red. She says, stop it. You are jealous. You want to destroy my marriage. I say, no, I don't. I said nothing for so long. I stayed silent, but now I must tell you the truth. She shouts, you are not my sister. You are a liar. I cry and say, please believe me. I did nothing wrong. He did this. She slaps me hard. Her eyes are full of hate. Then she says something that breaks me more. You are dead to me. I try to speak, but no words come out. My lips shake. My heart breaks. She turns around. She opens the door. She says, get out of my house. Never come back. I stand at the door crying. I say in a soft voice, Leah, please. But she is gone. My phone rings. It's my close friend Sophia. She sounds angry. She says, Maya, what did you do? Leah is crying. Ethan told everyone I was trying to break their marriage. He said I loved him, not the other way. My heart stops. Tears fall from my eyes. I say, Sophia, he is lying. He sent me the messages. He followed me. I said nothing because I was scared. But Sophia does not listen. She hangs up. Now I am alone. No one believes me. Not my friend, not my sister, not anyone. I stay in my room. I don't eat. I don't talk. I don't go to class. I cry at night. I feel so small, so hurt. I look in the mirror and ask, did I do something wrong? But deep in my heart, I know I told the truth. One night, I can't sleep. I sit up, I wipe my tears. I say, no, I will not stay silent. I have proof. I have the truth. I go to the printer. I print every message Ethan sent me. All the I want you messages, all the you are beautiful messages, all the screenshots, all the photos of the flowers he sent to my room. Next morning, I dress up. I take a deep breath. I walk to the university office. I say, please, I need help. Ethan is not who he says he is. He is lying. Please look at this. The office staff takes the papers. They read everything. They stay quiet for a while. Then one woman says, this is serious. We will investigate. 2 days later, they call me. They say, we believe you. Thank you for speaking up. You were brave. They call Leah too. They show her the proof. At first, Leah is quiet. She reads everything. She sees the photos. She looks at the messages. Her hands shake. Her face turns pale. She says in a small voice, he said she was lying. He said she wanted him. Oh God, I was wrong. I hurt my sister. Then she starts crying. She says, Maya, I am so sorry. I didn't believe you. I slapped you. I broke your heart. One night, Leah comes to my room. Her eyes are red. She looks tired. She is holding my old teddy bear. She says, Maya, I found Ethan's old phone. I saw the messages. My sister sits down. She starts crying. She says, please forgive me. I was wrong. I did not trust you. I feel ashamed. I blamed you, but it was him, not you. I cry too. She hugs me tight. She says, "You are not just my sister. You are like my daughter. I love you. I hurt you. I am truly sorry again." I say, "I love you too, Leah. I will always love you. You are also like my mom. You took care of me. You raised me." Even if he forced me so much, I could never feel that way. I still stand with you. Then we both cry a lot with full hearts. Rhea leaves Ethan. She goes to court and asks for a divorce. She looks at him and says, "You have no shame. You tried to take my sister. You broke my heart. I can never stay with a man like you. You make me sick." Ethan stands quiet. He says nothing. His face is full of fear. Leah's eyes fill with tears, but she turns around and walks away. She does not look back. Days pass, then weeks. Now Leah is truly happy, and I am happy too. We are stronger now together. We live in peace. We love each other and will never let anyone break us again. Sometimes the person we love the most can hurt us the most. The pain is very deep. It feels like our heart is broken. But remember, the truth will always come out. You are not weak. You are not alone. Don't stay quiet. Speak up. Tell your story. Even if no one believes you at first, keep telling the truth. One day, the truth will be clear, and when it is, you will feel free. If this story touched your heart, please like this video. Share it with someone